So here I have my little setup to evaluate a potential sheet metal fatigue cracking issue on a spring. I've adapted my lathe to mount the plug shell, and the tool holder I've placed the spring sample. The lathe is running on a modified motor. Initially I ran into difficulty because the main motor on my lathe runs too fast, so I mounted this little, it's actually an old dielectric strength tester underneath. It's got a smaller motor with a high reduction gearbox linked to that, and I coupled that into the lathe's drive using this crude Lovejoy that I made out of a bicycle hand grip and some PVC pipe mounted on an old drill press base. Now the actual spring test sample itself is mounted in the tool holder. Let's see here. This is the little spring blade. Positioning that up against a piece of key stock. Spring blade sits up against a piece of key stock, and then the piece of key stock gets held in place by the standard tool holder lathe. The assembly goes into the tool post. This way, when I'm ready to start testing, I can very carefully control, very closely control the engagement of the spring against the plug shell teeth. Now my lathe does have the standard calibrated lead screws, but I do have these inexpensive digital readouts that I've attached to the lathe to make it a little bit easier to keep track of the cross slide position. As you can see, I do have some run out on the plug shell. It's about 0.002. Most of that is due to the bushings in the lathe being old, and this 3-jaw chuck is not. It's very old. It's and it has some run out in the between the individual jaws. So that's the system, and I'm going to